In this video, I'll show you step by step how to withdraw money from your stake account. First of all, you need to log into your stake account. After that, you need to choose the currency you want to withdraw from stake. For example, you have got available USDT. In this case, I will choose USDT, and then you need to click on wallet right here. After that, you need to select withdraw, and then you need to provide your USDT wallet address. Also, you need to have a crypto exchange account or any crypto wallet, and you need to copy your USDT wallet address and paste it right here. I'm using BitGet. If you don't have a crypto exchange account, I suggest you to use BitGet because it's one of the best exchanges, and also it's very easy to withdraw money from this platform. So I will leave the registration link in the description or in the comment section, so you can click on it and create an account on BitGet. After you will have an account on BitGet, you need to go through KYC. It will take 1 or 2 minutes, and then you can copy your USDT wallet address. But before that, you need to choose the network. I will choose the BNB Smart Chain Network, BIP20, because it has got lowest transaction fees. So we need to copy our BIP20 USDT wallet address. It's the same on any crypto exchange, guys. So this process is similar. You need to go to your wallet. In my case, I will go to my spot account on BitGet, and right here will be my USDT wallet. I need to click on deposit, and I need to choose the same network. So in this case, we have chosen Binance Smart Chain BIP20 network on stake, and we need to choose the same network on here. So we need to choose BIP20 Binance Smart Chain network, and we need to copy the USDT BIP20 wallet address. Then we need to paste the wallet address right here, and we need to enter the amount of USDT we want to withdraw. In this case, the minimum withdrawal amount is 2.5 USDT, and the transaction fee will be 10 cents. So after we'll enter the details, you need to click on withdraw, and in a few minutes you will receive your money on your crypto wallet. So in this case, I will show you how to withdraw money from BitGet to your bank card. So you need to click on buy crypto in the top menu, and then choose buy and sell. And on the right hand side, you will see this option sell. You need to click on this. Then you need to choose the amount of USDT you want to withdraw from BitGet to your bank account, your bank card. So for example, I'm paying 50 USDT and I will receive 40.85 euros. I can choose also a different currency. There are also currencies. Then you need to choose the card. I have already attached my Visa card, so if you have not, you can click on add a new card right here. You need to link your debit card or credit card to BitGet, and after that you will transfer your money to your bank card. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.